Okay, good morning,ค่ะ
Good morning, teacher Rissa. I
Okay,
am teacher Salee at Supervis School.
okay, that's good. Okay, so how are you today, Teacher Sally?
Hi, teacher Rissa. I am very well. A good day.
Uh,
Today is raining.
yeah, okay, the weather is not so good. Okay, yeah. For today, we're going to talk about your plans and your Excel one. Okay,
Okay, teacher Rissa. My exam one on Tuesday, 2nd June, 20, 70,
yes.
70, ใช่ไหม Okay ค่ะ vocabulary, raining. Is it raining today? Number 2, computer.
Okay,
I learned to use computer.
okay,
Okay ค่ะ teacher.
yes.
Uh, two words. Yes,
Okay, you have 2 words for today.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay, I have here a paper to share with you. I'm going to share some words. I'm going to show you the paper. We are going to read together.
Yes.
Okay, where is my paper? Okay, can you see the paper now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I just like to ask about the school. Okay, I like to know about your school, my school also. Okay, what is your school name?
My school is Supervis School.
Okay, Suppawit School. That's correct. Okay, so how many students are in the school, or what is the population of students?
Uh, there are kindergarten students 139.
Yes.
There are primary and secondary students have 525.
Okay, 525. Okay, so we have primary to secondary. Okay, thank you, teacher. Where is the school location? The location of the school.
Yes. At Supervis School, uh, open of 22nd June 2020.
Open.
Uh, yes.
Okay.
The activity of school of June, about of June 26 June สุนทรภู่ Day.
Ton.
Teacher สุนทรภู่ Day.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Activity of June
Yeah.
26 June.
Okay. Good. Okay. Some activities.
Uh, number 2, of July. Of July อาสาหบูชา Day and ออกพรรษา Day ไม่
Okay.
ใช่no เข้าพรรษา Day.
Okay. That is in.
Yes.
Okay. Another activity.
Activity of August.
August.
August, yes. Mother Day.
Ah,
Mother Day.
yes.
Yes.
That is in
Mm.
August. Okay.
And uh, July, the first July, the
Yes.
first July เป็นสถาปนาลูกเสือไทย Scout.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
It's about
yes.
the scout project. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Pa. I asked about the location. Where is Supawit School? Where is it located?
Do Swiss School as วังน้ำเย็น
Okay.
and สระแก้ว province. Yes.
Okay, Ka. Thank you very much. Okay, for my part, I'm going to give you 5 words. We're going to use that in a sentence. Okay, I have here number 1. Can you see number 1?
Number 1, the
Okay,
sentence.
okay. I will read and you can follow. Okay, number 1 is tuition fee. Tuition fee.
tuition fee,
Okay, correct. That's good. The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee.
20% discount on the tuition fees.
Okay, that's good. Okay,ค่ะ. So we go on. Vocabulary number two. The word is enroll. Enroll. Can you repeat?
Euro,
One more.
euro, euro.
Okay, enroll. Okay, the sentence. My school is now open for enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll. Okay?
Yes, the school is now open for enroll- enrollment. Many students are counting to enroll.
Okay. Follow me. Enrollment.
Enrollment.
Okay. Many students are coming to enroll.
Many students are coming to enroll.
Okay, very good. Yes, masa maklian. Enroll. Next, number
Okay.
three. We have the word announcement. Okay, say the word announcement.
Announcement.
Okay, very good. One more time. Announcement.
Announcement.
Okay, good. Many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. Okay, your turn. You read.
Okay. Many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed.
Okay, good. Follow me. Surprise. Surprise.
Surprise.
Okay.
Surprise.
Government.
Government.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay, next. Number four. I have the word supervisor. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Okay,
Supervisor.
yes. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Okay, your turn.
The distance supervisor and this team came to Everest to school.
Okay, one more time. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Okay, one more time.
The distance supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school.
Okay, good. Okay, the last word. We go on to the last, number five. Cooperate.
Cooperate.
Okay,
Cooperate. Yes.
yes. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately. Okay?
If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately.
Okay, one more time. Immediately.
Immediately.
Yes.
Immediately. Yes.
Okay, everyone
Everyone
cooperates.
cooperate.
Okay? If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately.
If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately.
Okay, very good. Let's review the five words. Okay, number one, tuition fee,
Tuition fee,
enroll,
enroll,
announcement,
announcement,
supervisor,
supervisor,
cooperate.
cooperate.
Okay, very good. We have five words for today, and I'm going to prepare another words, a set of words next week. Okay, I'm happy to talk with you. So we talk again next week. Okay, teacher?
โอเค goodbye teacher Lisa
Okay,
โอเค
goodbye.
ค่ะ thank you ค่ะ